Alright, so this is the back gate. As you can see here, the snow has drifted back here to, what we got, 34 inches on the gauge. Pull it out here. Some incredible stuff. You can see it's drifted along the fence here. Very slick. All ice right here. Pure sheet. You can see some of the drifting in the back. Even here by the air conditioning unit. Alright. Back there by the old weed eater. And if I can make it over here without falling, you can see the water meter back there, completely covered in a drift. Let's see what we've got right here. Middle of the backyard, 21 inches, almost 2 feet, just in the middle of the yard. Probably the back of the house back there, that's going to be about 3 feet. Alright, let's sign off from the backyard, head over to the front.